All right, everyone, welcome back. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Greg. Welcome to my garage. For those of you who are subscribed and you do know me and you're confused what this video is, let me explain. So, over the last couple of weeks, people have been submitting videos responding to Ed Bolian's video about selling his $35,000 Lamborghini. And he's selling it to someone who has the best idea for the car. And so on the very last day of submissions, December 1st, today, I decided I was going to shoot my shot and see if I could make my dream come true. But not only my dream. Let me explain. Alright, so I'm assuming most of the people watching this video have never seen me before on YouTube. And that's because I run a really small channel out of my garage. And in fact, I only have 280 subscribers at this point. And like myself, there's a lot of Canadians around Canada who aspire to be automotive YouTubers who might have unique personalities or unique projects like my Miata Swapped 1978 MG Midget that you see behind me. But the problem is we don't have the audience or the attention on us just because we're small. In today's world of automotive YouTube, as unfortunate as it might be, sometimes it takes a crazy car like the VINwiki SWAE Lamborghini to be able to make people's dreams come true and get the attention that's needed on their channel. And so that's where this car actually comes into play. Let me bring you through my plan. So as I said before, I am Canadian. And so the first step of this plan would be, number one, you might notice that this Lamborghini is a convertible. And if you know anything about Canada, it's winter time and it is far too cold to be driving a convertible. So in the meantime, until the nice weather comes over the winter and spring, the first plan would be to make the car get a little more attention and be a little more Canadian. Now, I'm not saying we're gonna wrap it in a Canadian flag wrap, but I'm not saying that either. On to step two. Once the car's wrapped, any further maintenance is done and the warm weather arrives, I plan on reaching out to and connecting with small Canadian YouTubers across Canada. Once I do that, I want to travel coast to coast in true CannonBall fashion to meet up with all of these YouTubers and give them an opportunity to experience this car themselves. Giving them the chance to drive this car, make videos with this car, especially with the attention that it'll bring, could not only make my dream of traveling the country and meeting a bunch of cool, like-minded people come true, but it could also make all of their dreams come true in starting an automotive YouTube channel as well. Now on to step three. By the time I make it to the West Coast, hopefully I've made enough of an impact that I can meet up with Damon from DDE and I can rub it in his face that I got to buy this car from you, Ed, rather than him, even despite the difference in followings that we have. Anyways, I want to make this short and sweet. I know you guys have been watching a ton of these submissions and I really want to thank you for that. I love spreading ideas and coming up with cool things to do in the automotive space, and so I really do truly appreciate this opportunity, Ed, VINwiki, and the people from SWAE. So thanks for watching, hopefully you like my video, and hopefully I catch you next summer watching my videos as I rally Ed's car across Canada, making hundreds of dreams come true. Take care guys, have a great night, we'll see you in the next one.